Hi, welcome back. So in this video, we are going to create a HTML form and discuss about two important attributes in that form. So forms in HTML will have form tag. So here I'm going to create two input text boxes, type equal to text, id equal to uname, and name equal to uname2. So there is something called placeholder. So this will be displayed as hint inside the text box. Enter username. So I'll copy this text field and paste it for password. So we're giving name as pass. And finally, submit button. So now the two important attribute, method equal to get and action equal to login check.html. So I will explain these two attributes when we are about to run the file. So it is everything set now. We have created a form with two text boxes and a submit button. So now a simple login form is ready. So here I'll type some username and a password. So I'm going to click the submit query. File not found. It's not an error. So you can find a login check.html. Somewhere we have typed here action equal to login check.html, which means when we click submit button in a form, this the submit button will redirect to the page that is described in the action attribute with all the data that is typed by the user in both input field. So these two values will be passed to the login underscore check.html page. That is what the meaning. And then you can see here uname equal to e3 schools and pass equal to 1 2 3 4 5. So the values that we have typed here, that is openly sent using URL, so without hiding anything. So this is not secure, but still this is one method of transferring data from one page to another using forms action. So this is get method. So when we use post method here, this values will be sent, but it will not be visible in URL. So this is the two important attributes of form. So this is how we can create a form in HTML. In case you need a clean alignment of form, you can use tables, HTML table or something to have user defined alignment. Hope this video is useful. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting us.